In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use columns on the Google Docs website. So first of all, all you need to do, just go and open whatever browser you are going to use to follow this tutorial steps. Once you open your browser, go here to the URL section and simply type Google Docs. Click at the enter button. You will find yourself here at this page. From here, just click simply at the first link and make sure you will find you avoid any ad or advertisement links. Once you click on it, you will find yourself here at this page, and from here you'd like to sign in to log in into your account if you already have one. But if you don't have an account, you can just go here and click at sign up for free to create your account. So once you did one of the two options, you will find, or you'll certainly be here at this page. And once you are here, you'll be able to create a new document or choose some of just their templates here, which is provided by Google Docs for free. Or you can just go and open one of your recent documents. For me, I'm just going to do that, which is actually empty for me, but that will not be a problem. And from here, as we said, we would like to use column. So once you open your page, all you need to do, just select the text that you want to put into columns. So let's say as an example, I'm just going to write here, hello, oh, sorry, hello, how are you doing? I'm good. How are you? A simple conversation. Good, thanks. Whatever. So of course, once we done, like as we said, just select the text that you want to put into columns. So this is an example. I'm just going to select this second one, and now you would like to go to format, and now go to columns, and make sure to like select however or whatever columns you want. So you want 2 columns, you want 3, or you have even here more options. So for me, I'm just going to click at 2 columns, and as you can see, that puts my second word that I selected in the second line, and I want it on the second column. So of course, just select it again, and now you would like to go and just select the text, and of course just go to format, no sorry, and search, and here go to break, column break, and as you can see, this will go actually here, but I don't know why it's disappeared. So just go here and actually start typing again what you have to type in the second column. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.